1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, Jooba people? Where's it? Oh, that's the welcome to this lesson. Really nice to be here again after 2 weeks. And yeah, what a good song. Very, very nice chords. Some very interesting. I love this ESOS 4 that they use. A beautiful chord. And also this A minor at 11. And also an instrument. And the fact that it starts on a D minor chord with the add 9 thrown in there sometimes is so beautiful. I love it. Go get a PDF to follow along everything, the picking patterns there, and the chord progressions for all the parts, as well as the correct placement of the chords. I took the one from Ultimate Guitar and just made a couple of edits where the original was wrong. Not the original, I mean the one that, you know what I mean. Okay. But anyway, let's keep going. And let's just start with a picking pattern. So plain D minor chord, cap on 2nd fret. I do believe they tuned, I know they tuned their nylon string guitar up a whole tone to not use a capo on the nylon string. So that's what I found from some of the live versions. However, some of the live versions, he does play with an electric and capo on 2nd fret. Yeah, but when they do it with nylon string, it's just, the strings are just tuned up a whole step. Okay, so if you want to sound like him, you know, do that. Okay, but the picking pattern is pretty simple. It's basically, if you take the D minor, and we're not going to play the note down there, we're just going to play these three. And then when you go to A minor, these two fingers go down and this one stays on the bass. And G. So the thumb just follows the root notes of the chords when you're on F. Okay. The thumb can alternate between strings. So if you're on A minor, you could do. You get. Or. You know, so you don't have to play the root note every time on the pattern. So you could play the root note here and then here play a different note. All right. So that's it for the picking pattern. Now, if you want to strum it as well, which he kind of does a strumming which sounds like a picking pattern. So then it goes like this. Down, down, up, up, down, down. minor, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down. So that's pretty simple, and you can obviously expand on that. Add your own strums in between. All right, then for the chords, we have the first line of chords being a D minor, which he adds that note and this note. You know, if you blend the piano, you get a D minor with a add 9 there, okay? But just know that we're just using these two. For the picking, A minor, first part of the A minor is at 11. And the verses, and then G, and then this F. I'm using an F major 7. You could also use a regular F or this F, but I like to use this one. Mute the 5th string, okay. And then an E sus4, which looks like an A chord, just up 1 string, and then a regular E. E sus4, E, and then a regular C chord. But I don't think we actually ever use the C, but that's just a nice chord to know. Anyway. Oh, sorry, I didn't scroll down. That's the E sus4, and that's the E. Alright, very often used in this song. Okay, then for the intro, let's just go through it step by step. On the live version that I listened to, he does a hammer-on here on the 3rd string. Not every time like... minor part is on the E minor. Instead of, so the F and the E minor share a bar, so it's like obviously improvise around that. I mean, if you strum it, it's going to be summer, summer, move on. Way it goes, can't get money, move down. Way it goes, please don't down. He says for any life I found out seasons can bend. There's just one thing left to stay. Don't just walk away. So then it's playing just chords, strumming there. Sorry, I didn't scroll down here. Okay. Anyway, you get the idea. Alright? Moments. Let's go to that part. Moments will pass in the I find out seasons left. There's just one thing. Chorus, you kind of play A minor, but they don't play an A minor in the live versions, just, or in all the versions. It's just stay 3, chicka chicka, don't just walk away. So the way to count where to come in there is 3 beats. So you count stay 2, 3, chicka chicka, don't just walk away. And then the verses continue the same. Now, in the interlude, we have this interlude going D minor with the Now, they do it twice on the live version, on other versions not. I'm not going to go through all of this. I just want to go through this little line over here, which is a little tricky. So A minor slash C is basically an A minor chord with a C in the bass. E sus4 with B in the bass. So you don't play the top E string, you just play. And then F. And that really builds up the progression. So if you go A minor to the G, to the F, to the A minor slash E. Outro. It's a very interesting thing here. He does this. This is the chord I played in the intro. It's A minor add 9. Very beautiful chord. So you start with a pinch. Very, very nice chord progression. If you have any questions about the song, please let me know in the comments and join the Jooba people. You'll get your requests answered there. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but this song was a request from that community, and I do one of those requests every week at least, and a lot of other things, some courses, a music theory course, and yeah, go check it out. You'll see all the details in the description. Cheers, have a nice day. Goodbye.